Hey, what's up, guys? You might have seen these Nano Banana trending 3D models nowadays on your social media, and today I'm going to give it a try. Can ChatGPT also make the Nano Banana styled 3D model? So, without any further ado, let's give it a try. So, I'll just simply paste the prompt which I'm using in the Gemini as well. And if you have not created your own Nano Banana trending action figure, then do it right now. And if you don't know how to create it, then I have added a tutorial on the channel, and you can find the link in the description box below. You can find the same prompt in the description as well. So yes, I have just added a photo, I have added a prompt here, and let's just send it to ChatGPT, and let's see if ChatGPT creates the similar styled, Nano Banana styled trending image. So let it just create the image for us. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. Also, don't forget to like the video, and also let me know in the comments if you have created your own trending 3D toy. Also, I guess Nano Banana or the Gemini is a bit faster than ChatGPT, but let's see how ChatGPT creates it, and I'll pause the video or I'll fast forward it while it creates the image. So finally, ChatGPT have created this nice image for us, but it is missing the likeness. Probably Gemini has done a better job there. But yeah, still, this is a new trend, so you guys can explore this and create your own action figures with this new prompt. And till next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.